What's up, everybody? Who remembers my video on Redvines? Oh my gosh, these kids. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago I made a video talking about Redvines, how much I love them. I was delirious at 3 a.m.
I feel emotional. I don't know why I'm crying over a piece of candy. Oh my god.
And I made this ridiculous video. I tweeted it at Redvines and they actually asked me to DM them and that they had something for me. So today a package has arrived and we are going to unbox it. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. And we're cutting and we're cutting. Oh my gosh. What is inside this box? There's a lot of paper. All right. Paper. Oh my goodness. It says greetings from California. It's, hi Ken. Thank you for being an awesome fan. Enjoy these vines. Love the Redvines team. How freaking cool is this? I've got regular Redvines. I've got grape Redvines. I've got Redvines nips. Made mixed berry twists. What? More Redvines. I've never even seen these. These are rare vines. Bleh. Black licorice vines. Ugh. Ugh. 2 boxes of these. Oh my god, more Redvines. Oh my gosh, another box of Redvines. Redvines twist, that's? And another box of grapevines. Holy crap, I've got enough Redvines for 3 days. That is awesome. What? I don't like the black ones. So, oh boy. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. These Redvines made simple. What are these mixed berry ones? Let's try one of these out live. OMG. These are good. Oh my god. These are so good. This is good. Oh my god. And I got grape ones? My favorite color. Purple. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. If you are not a Redvines fan, you are missing out. You are hands down missing out on the greatest candy that this planet has ever seen. These are good. These are good. I've got every Redvine known to man. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you didn't enjoy the video, you'll hit the other button. Full disclaimer, I told you what this video was. It is Redvines, so if I see a dislike on Redvines, screw you. Who doesn't love Redvines? Who doesn't love them? Anyways, I'm OriginaldoBo, reminding you to eat more candy. I gotta do a thumbnail. How do I do a thumbnail? I don't know.